Hey guys, so today I have got the Witch Casket box for July to show you. Now if you haven't seen me open this before, it's £27 a month. It is a UK box, but they do post it anywhere in the world. It's just kind of different prices, so I'll try and put a few of them down below, but you might have to go to their website to see the price for your country and stuff. But I am just gonna get straight into it. So the theme for this month's box is healing magic, and everything in it seems to be this like lilac-y purple colour, which is really nice. So this is their new little booklet that they've been doing. They didn't used to do this, it used to just be like a little card of contents. That is so cute. But now it definitely goes into more detail about each item and stuff, so that is definitely very helpful. Then we have a little print. So this is this month's, definitely one of my favourite ones that we've had. A lot of the times they're very like naturey and like herbs and stuff like that, but I like how this is kind of like, I don't know, maybe a little more childish even, but I kind of like that. So definitely one of my favourite prints that we've had in a while. Then we have another print, and this one, even though it is a crystal one, again, it has that kind of new style to it, so that is really nice as well. This is both of them together. Then we have our spell kit for the month. So this one is, I think that says Waning Moon. I can't really tell what it says because it's like fancy writing, but Moon Healing Spell Kit contains everything you need to aid healing in yourself or others. It says bonus pouch included. Contents can be used in charm bags. So let's have a see what is in here. Okay, so in here we have that same cute little cat from the booklet, and then we have like the instructions. I'll put them here just in case anyone wants to pause and read this, because I know sometimes people actually like to write these down to put in their own like book of shadows and stuff. So that's the little instruction card. Then we have a little bag, which, does it say what this is? Soda light, that's what this is apparently in here. So it's kind of like a blacky navy sort of coloured rock gemstone. The light is making it look really pretty. In person it's a very kind of dull black sort of colour, but it is nice though, so there is that. Then a little bag of what I can only assume is lavender, because it smells like lavender. And this other bag of something else. We have these little stickers on again that say number 1 and number 2 to help us tell which herbs they are. So I'm going to have a quick look in here and see what the other one is. So that is witch hazel apparently. So witch hazel and lavender, and then a little silky like charm bag kind of thing. So that was everything in the Moon Healing Spell Kit. Then next we have a mini healing spell, which is a little weird. I'm not really sure why you'd have 2 of the same sort of spells in one box, but maybe this is like totally different, so we will open it and see. Let's have a look. Okay, so this comes with a very pretty shimmery card. I'm not sure if that's going to show up, but that is super pretty, and just one white candle, and it says, find a time when you are feeling fully relaxed and can find a peaceful spot where you won't be disturbed. Feel free to etch into the candle anything you want, simple numbers, letters, symbols which have a meaning to you. This is optional. Light the candle and meditate. Focus all your energy on believing in your own power to heal yourself. As you meditate, feel the joy and relief of feeling cleansed and healed as you let go of any pain and feel ready to move forward. Watch the flame as it burns and purifies and sends your intent into the universe. So that's pretty cute, just a little mini version, I guess. A little random, but cute though, and I like that card. It was very pretty and shimmery, so there was that. Then we have our little pin for the month. You pretty much always get a pin, and again it's on one of these really pretty shimmery cards. It's like a little crystal with some lavender tied to it, it looks like. So there is that. Then we have a gemstone. So this is a pretty big chunk. Usually they are quite small in these boxes, so this is quite a large one. This is a amethyst. I think amethyst is one of my personal favourites. It's quite a flashy one, this as well. It's got them little sparkly kind of bits in it. And it says, amethyst is a great healing stone believed to help with emotional and physical well-being. A calming stone, it eases stress, soothes irritability. It can balance emotions and help with mood swings, anger, anxiety or grief. Amethyst enhances spiritual awareness and psychic abilities. So, oh, it even has like a little yellowy flash up there. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but that is a very pretty one. So there is that. Then we have this little like coin in here. So this is a healing amulet, it says. So one side is this like pentacle or pentagram, and then on the other side it has some writing which says, a new day dawns as old wounds heal, I cast out the pain I feel. And it says, carry this talisman with you for empowerment and healing. Read the inscription whenever you feel pain or heartache. So that's pretty cute. It's quite heavy as well, that. It looks kind of cheap on camera, but it is actually quite a weighty, like, big chunk of metal. So there is that. Then next we have some essential oil. If we get oils in this box, it always seems to be this ancient brand. It says pure essential oil, and it is the relaxing blend. So I'm gonna assume that this is probably some kind of lavender or something. Yeah, lavender and mandarin. So let's have a smell. It's okay. I'm not a massive fan of lavender personally. It makes me think of like old ladies a little bit, but the mandarin definitely gives it more of a nice, like, less old smell, so it's quite nice. There is that. Then we have our tea. You pretty much always get a tea. Sometimes it's coffee, but that's pretty rare. I do love when they put the coffees in because I prefer coffee personally. But this is lavender butterfly green tea. It says, a natural aid to peaceful healing. Lavender eases anxiety, lifts depression and guards against insomnia. So I'm not going to open this because I probably won't use it, but that is our little pouch of tea. Then we have this big velvety pouch which says Pentacle altar dish, representing all 5 elements on your altar. This classic handcrafted altar dish is perfect for offerings, crystals, herb blends, etc. So I'm gonna assume this is like a little, what you would call like a trinket dish, I guess, kind of. It looks very handmade. I know it says handmade, but definitely looks handmade. It's cute though. It's like a black, I don't really know what this is. I wouldn't say it's like pot because it's got bubbles in it, but yeah, it's cute. It's got a little pentacle or pentagram in there, so you could just, like, even if you don't have an altar, you could just like put your rings in it when you're sleeping at night or something. So that is very cute. And then there is actually still a few more items left in here, which I feel like this is a very full box. So the first one we have is a little book that says Crystal Magic. It says, crystals are created by Mother Nature and each one is imbued with its own unique magical properties. They can be used for healing, meditation, divination, and are traditionally used in spells and charms. This book will guide you through the benefits of working crystals into your craft. Okay, so it's like a little information booklet, I guess, on different things, like different crystals and stuff, and salt, earth cleansing, running water, light. different shapes and forms. So there's crystal points, tumble stones, clusters, pyramids, crystal grids. So it tells you about crystal grids, which is interesting. Wearing them, spell casting, and then it tells you all about different crystals. So amethyst, black tourmaline, garnet, citrine, jade. That's pretty cute. And then there's like a little notes bit at the back. So yeah, that's pretty cute. It's definitely like a nice, well-made little book. It's not like it's just kind of printed on some rubbishy paper, you know. It's like a little cute booklet. So there is that. And then this is our last item before the scroll. So this is a pillow cover, it looks like, or have I got that the right way around? Yeah, little cushion cover which says witch on it. I don't think we've had a cushion cover from them before. If we had, it must have been a long time ago because I don't remember, but that is very cute. Just it's plain black on one side, it's got a zip across the top. Obviously you would have to go and buy your own cushion to put in this. I seem to be getting cushion covers in a lot of boxes lately, but that's fine. So that is the kind of big item. And then our scroll is actually like a baby pink colour this month, which is really cute, and the little sticker is like a little love heart. I really like the colour theme of this box. I think my favourite colour theme though was the one that looked like the Mean Girls kind of design. That was like hot pink and cut out letters and stuff. So this one is simple healing spells. Now I'm not going to read it out, I am just going to hold it up. If you want to pause and read it, then feel free, because I don't want to bore you all reading all of this out, but I know some of you are interested in it. So this is kind of just generally what I do. Oh, it's a big long one, okay. So hopefully that wasn't too funny and you could actually read it. So yeah, that was the Witch Casket box for July. I actually really liked this one. I feel like the colour theme was really nice and pretty, and it's got a lot of items in it that are quite usable even if you don't practice. The gemstone was really, really pretty and a big one. And yeah, I think one of the better ones that they've done in a while. So I am going to show you everything all together if I can hold it all together. So there was the black witch cushion cover, the crystal magic book, the moon healing spell kit, the two prints, so the one that says amethyst and then this kind of like witchy looking girl, the mini healing spell kit, the little crystal pin, the tea, the healing amulet coin, the big chunk of amethyst, the relaxing blend oil, the altar dish, like the Pentacle altar dish, and the scroll. So all of this stuff in the July Witch Casket. Like I said, definitely a full box. This seems like a lot more stuff than we usually get. For £27, definitely a good deal this time, I would say personally. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. I'll put all the info down below for Witch Casket in case you want to go and check them out, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.